Good evening, I'm Lila with Scop News. Tonight, we begin with breaking news from Hesperia, where a tragic early morning crash has claimed the life of a young woman, with DUI charges filed against the other driver. A deadly collision in Hesperia has left a 22-year-old Baldwin Park woman dead and another driver facing DUI charges. The crash occurred around 2:20 a.m. Friday morning near the intersection of 7th Avenue and Sequoia Street. The victim has been identified as Paige Mitchell. She was driving a 2008 Honda Accord when it collided with a 2022 Dodge Charger, driven by 22-year-old Danilo Zamora of Apple Valley. Firefighters had to use specialized equipment to free Mitchell from her vehicle after she became trapped inside. She was rushed to the hospital but tragically pronounced dead upon arrival. Zamora was arrested on suspicion of driving under the influence and later released on bail. Both vehicles sustained major damage, with Mitchell's Honda suffering severe rear-end damage and Zamora's Charger heavily damaged in the front. 3 additional people were treated as delayed patients with non-critical injuries, while 2 others declined medical treatment. Both cars crashed through chain-link fences before coming to rest on the east side of 7th Avenue. The crash forced closure of northbound and southbound lanes on 7th Avenue south of Sequoia Street, while emergency crews worked the scene. The Hesperia Police Department continues investigating this tragic incident. This heartbreaking case serves as another reminder of the devastating consequences of impaired driving. We'll continue following this story and bring you updates as they develop. That's your news update. I'm Lila. Thank you for watching Scop News. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.